Today, we are going on a safari together. As you can see, I got all my equipments with me. Wait, do you know what a safari is? It is a trip in the nature where we will be exploring, learning facts about wildlife and wild animals. Yes. Are you ready to start this adventure with me? Me too. Let's go. I do not see any animal around here. Do you? How about I use my pretend binoculars to help me watch from far? Okay, I'm gonna do that. Oh, I see a zebra over there. Let's go in that direction. Wow! Zebra is so beautiful with black and white stripes. I'm gonna take a picture. Perfect. Did you know that zebras don't lie down to sleep? Instead, they prefer doing it standing. How interesting. Oh wow! Look at the sleeping tiger. Did you know that the tiger is the largest cat in the world? They can actually roar, but they cannot purr. Do you want to be a tiger with me? Let's roar together. Roar! 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 That was fun. Oh wow! I can see a giraffe from here. They are so tall they can be seen from far. Look! Look, there it is. The giraffe is eating leaves. Giraffe seems hungry. Let's take a picture. Did you know that giraffes are unique? No two giraffes have the same spots. Let's get going, guys. We have a lot more to explore. Look at the mommy and baby elephant. Look at them swimming together. Did you know that elephants are great swimmers? Unbelievable, right? Elephants actually use their trunk as a snorkel to breathe while swimming. Can you pretend to have a trunk like an elephant? Moo. Yes. Can you stomp your feet like an elephant? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp your feet like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. That was fun. I can see an alligator from here. Let's take a picture. Did you know that alligators are great swimmers too? They actually have webbed feet and they have a very strong tail that helps them to swim. Did you know this song for the alligator too? Let's sing it together. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see an alligator, don't forget to scream, ah! That was fun. Now, can you pretend to be an alligator with me? Snap, snap, snap. Snap, snap, snap. That was the alligator snap. Did you hear that hissing sound? Where is it coming from? Look! Look! It's coming from the tree. There's a bunch of snakes hanging on the tree. I'm gonna take a picture. I can't miss this. Wow! Did you know that snakes don't have eyelids like us? I didn't know it either. How interesting. Did you know that their skin is dry and smooth? And they actually can smell with their mouth. Yes. Can you pretend to be a snake with me? Let's make the hissing sound. Sss. Sss. That's right. This is the sound that snakes make. Let's keep on going. I have to document everything, so I'm gonna keep taking pictures. Did you see the monkey's family over there? Wow, that's a very beautiful family. There's mother monkey, daddy monkey, and their kids. That looks a happy family. Did you know that monkeys are very intelligent? And they're actually very friendly toward us, humans. Can you pretend to be a monkey with me? Yeah? Okay, let's make the monkey sound. Yes, that was the sound. And this is the sign for monkey. That was fun. You're doing a great job. This is the first time I'm seeing a hippopotamus. I'm going to take a picture again. Wow, look at the hippopotamus swimming. They are excellent swimmers. They love water. And did you know that they can hold their breath for 5 minutes? Yes, that's a very long time. Another interesting fact about them is that they actually can see and hear underwater. Yes, unbelievable. Wow, look! It's the king of the jungle, the lion. I was waiting for this moment. Let's take a picture. Wow! Did you know that lions' roar can be heard from 5 miles away? Yes. Do you want to pretend to be a lion with me? Let's roar together. Roar! 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 That was fun. Thank you for discovering all the animals. Now let's sing the Jungle Animals song. Are you ready to sing the safari song with me? Yes? Okay. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. I see a lion that roars so loud. He stands out in the crowd. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. I see a tiger running around. Look at the snakes hiding underground. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. I see a giraffe and she is so tall. She's the tallest of them all. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. I see a cheetah running very fast. Look at the turtle, she's the last. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Look at the monkey swinging on a tree. I see a zebra running free. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Let's go on a safari, 1, 2, 3. Let's name all the animals we're gonna see. Since we're on a safari, let's play Guess the Animal game. Can you guess what animal this is? I'm going to give you a few hints. This is the fastest land animal on Earth. It looks a lot like a cat. That's right, it's a cheetah. On to the next one. Can you guess this other one? This other animal has giant horns that they grow from their snouts. Can you guess the animal? That's right, a rhinoceros or rhino. Can you guess this other animal? This is actually a large flightless bird that lives in Africa. Even their eggs are very large. Ostrich, that's right. That's an ostrich. Can you guess this other one? I'll give you some hints. This one is a great swimmer. They have a giant mouth and they have over 80 teeth. It's an alligator. That's right. Let's guess this other animal. Looks like a dog. Maybe a wild dog? No. This is actually a hyena. That's right. Now, let's guess this other animal. As you can see, this one has 2 humps, and this animal drinks a lot of water. Can you guess the name? Yes, it's a camel. Let's guess the last one. I see that this animal has 2 horns. Yes, they have a big body too. I wonder what wild animal would have 2 horns. This one here is very intelligent. It's a wildebeest. That's right. This guessing game was so much fun. Can you roar like a lion with me at a count to 3? 1, 2, 3. Roar! 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 Can you stomp your feet like an elephant with me at a count to 3? 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Can you hiss like a snake with me at a count to 3? 1, 2, 3. Sss, sss, sss. Can you laugh with me like a monkey at a count to 3? 1, 2, 3. That was fun. Thank you for joining me in this learning experience. See you again.